What's up guys, I'm doing a review and unboxing of the new Jordan 1 Low Patent Green. They're actually called Pine Green Black and White. I've got them in a size 9. And yeah, I'm going to just show you a little review of the shoes and if they're worth picking up. So, I just want to have a look on the size. And yeah, we'll get into them. I've actually worn these once already, only really lightly, just to try them out. And yeah, here they are. So, with these shoes, Jordan Lows are actually starting to get a little bit more hyped. You've actually started having some quick stripe mids release, and the highest and the OG colorway sell out so quick, people just want to get their hands on some Jordan 1s. And Lows, they're starting to make some decent colorways. Yeah, so these are the Pine Greens. The reason I did pick these up was mainly because I wanted the Pine Green highs that came out last year or the year before. They sold out, and then they released a mid pair, Pine Greens. They also sold out really quickly. And then Dunks have started coming back in. And then I was like, I just wanted a pair of Celtic coloured Jordan 1s. And these came out. They did actually release a pair similar to these that are already on YouTube, the Mystic Greens. They are Jordan 1 Low Mystic Greens, very similar. A lot of different materials though. The reason I preferred these over the Mystic Greens was the green's a bit more brighter. The Mystic Green's more of a teal. So yeah, let's get into these. First of all, the shoe isn't fully leather. What I do like about these though, instead of cheaping out on the shoe and getting a full leather, because they retail for £80, what they've actually done is not the complete shoe is full leather, but where it is leather, it's patent leather. So you can kind of see in the light, don't know if you can, but it is patent leather, similar to the Bapesters, the old Bapesters. Now, with patent leather, after about 10-15 years, it will crack, which is a bit of a pain. But these are still really good quality. So we've actually got a canvas going around the mid. That's not really a canvas, I can't really describe the material, but it's really kind of strange, but it's actually really soft as well. When I take the insert out, it's actually really soft material. It's like a canvas, I can't really describe it. On the back, we've got the wing logo in black. And the swoosh, I'm not sure if it is leather or not. This side part and this bit here is patent leather. I'm not fully aware if this is leather, the swoosh. It could be, but what does tend to happen after about 20 years, if this isn't real leather, it will start to crack. Hopefully it won't, but yeah. We've got the Jumpman and the 23 here. And yeah, that's the size tag with the new format Nike are using. And yeah, the classic Jordan 1 sole. These shoes are really, really comfortable. If you've worn Jordan 1s before, Dunks, very similar. Yeah, I'm actually probably gonna maybe put either white or black laces on these. I've got some white laces here. I feel like the white laces might look better, and also the black laces could look better as well, because a lot of the OG ones do have black laces. As far as the leather quality, so these have been worn once, worn for about 4 hours. The creasing isn't actually that bad, and if you can have a look at, actually really decent quality leather for a GR, and you could probably use these as beaters, and they wouldn't actually crease too bad. So yeah, the leather, I'm really impressed by these actually. Pictures don't really do these justice. Have a look at these in store. They're in most retailers at the moment. Your Foot Lockers, Foot Actions, JDs, they're everywhere. But they are actually selling out. Jordan 1 Lows are starting to sell out. but you can probably get these with some discount, save a bit of money. But yeah, I'm reviewing these just because I haven't seen anyone review the new Pine Green Lows yet on YouTube, and I thought, yeah, I'll just throw this out there and see if any of you guys actually are interested in these. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. Drop a comment if you're got any questions, any queries about the shoes, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Peace.